Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nursery laundry basket is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked items when setting up a nursery. Finding the perfect one can significantly impact your daily routine, ensuring that laundry is managed efficiently and that the nursery remains organized and clutter-free. We'll explore key features to look for, from size and material to style and functionality, helping you choose the best laundry basket to suit your needs and seamlessly integrate into your nursery's aesthetic. Number 5. OrganiHaus Brown Toy Basket. Tired of clutter? It's a stylish and functional storage solution for any room in your house. Keep your home organized and tidy with ease. This beautiful basket helps transform any messy space into an organized haven in minutes. It's perfect for storing toys, blankets, laundry, or anything else that needs a home. It's made from natural, renewable cotton rope, free from harmful chemicals and safe for kids and pets. Enjoy its beautiful, natural look and feel. Large, comfortable handles make it easy to carry and move. Say goodbye to uncomfortable storage baskets with small, inconvenient handles. It's incredibly durable and long-lasting. This makes it a thoughtful gift for any occasion, or simply a treat for yourself. Many people buy several to organize kids' rooms, store yoga mats, or keep craft supplies tidy. The possibilities are endless. What we like? It's made of natural cotton rope, making it safe and soft. Its large size and durable construction mean it will last for years. The easy carry handles make it simple to move around your home. If you prioritize natural materials and long-lasting quality, this is the perfect choice for your nursery. What people say. Holds an immense amount of toys or blankets. Fabric is not rigid, so you do have to stuff it and let it straighten out at first. Spills wipe off very easily. Really happy with size, quality of material, and functionality. This was a huge basket that a toddler and all her Easter treats fit in comfortably. Very sturdy and loved the colors. The OrganiHaus Brown Towel Basket is a versatile storage option that combines functionality with an attractive design. Its generous size, 20 by 13 inches, makes it suitable for a variety of uses, from storing towels in the bathroom to holding toys in a child's room or blankets in the living room. The woven construction feels sturdy, and the neutral brown color complements a range of home decor styles. The basket is lightweight yet durable, making it easy to move around even when fully loaded. Additionally, the soft sides ensure it's safe to use around children, as there are no sharp edges or rigid materials. Number 4. Fankang Storage Basket. It's made of durable canvas with a waterproof coating, so it's perfect for keeping things organized and protected. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to move around. At 19.7 inches high and 15.7 inches in diameter, it's larger than most storage bags. It stands up on its own for easy access. This clever basket folds flat for space-saving storage when not in use. Simply unfold it when you need it. Use it in the nursery for toys, in the bedroom for clothes, or even as a shopping bag. The possibilities are endless. It arrives in compressed packaging, so it may be a little wrinkled. Don't worry, it will recover quickly, or you can use a steam iron or hairdryer to smooth it out. What we like? This one has a waterproof coating to protect items from spills. It folds flat for easy storage when not in use. It's also great for toys, clothes, or even as a shopping bag. If you need a versatile and space-saving solution, this is for you. What people say. It's been great for baby laundry, and I love that it's flexible to fit through the narrow part of our laundry room but sturdy enough to stay up on its own. We've been using this hamper for nearly 3 years and it's still holding strong and in great condition. Holds a full load of laundry and comes in cute designs. The hamper is durable and stays standing up. It's easy for her to use and throw her laundry into. It doesn't take up a lot of floor space but also holds enough clothes to not have to constantly empty it or do laundry. Number 3. JOLIE MUSE Basket. It's made of 100% pure cotton rope, so it's gentle on skin and safe for everyone. It's also chemical-free and incredibly soft. With dimensions of 16H x 14W x 14L, it offers spacious storage. The 2 sturdy handles make it easy to move around your home. The thick, 0.3-inch cotton rope and substantial weight ensure it holds its shape and is very durable. It's built to last. It's collapsible for easy storage when not in use, but easily reshapes when filled. Convenient and practical. Its harmonious color design makes it a beautiful addition to any room. Use it to store items or even as a decorative planter. What we like. Made from 100% pure cotton, it's gentle on clothes and skin. It offers a spacious interior for all your laundry needs. The thick, sturdy construction ensures it maintains its shape. If you're looking for a soft, durable, and stylish hamper, this is a great option. What people say. This woven basket is a fantastic addition to any room. It's beautifully crafted with a natural look that blends seamlessly with various decor styles. The sturdy construction makes it perfect for holding a variety of items, from toys and blankets to laundry. The size is ideal for storing a good amount without taking up too much space. Superb quality, it is so sturdy but so functional and cute. I use it to store blankets and pillows in our living room, and it makes the room feel so clean and cute while doing great with the items. Doesn't tilt or fold over and stands great. Purchase this to find a way to store smaller children's toys that tend to be strewn all over our living room floor. It came folded nicely and well packaged. It's tall so it holds quite a bit and also looks nice too, which is a win for me. When you pick up the basket, it's got a good weight to it, so you know it's sturdy. Number 2. INough Baby Laundry Basket. It's big enough to hold a mountain of clothes, toys, or anything else your little one needs to store. With its 17 by 14 inch dimensions, it offers ample space to keep things tidy and organized. The convenient drawstring closure keeps everything safely inside, no matter how much you put in it. You can easily carry it around without worrying about things falling out. It's made from durable canvas with a waterproof coating, so it's built to last. The reinforced frame and sturdy bottom ensure it can handle whatever you throw in it. 2 handles make it easy to move around, and when not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. It's lightweight and portable, perfect for any room. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply dust it off with a cloth or spot clean with soapy water as needed. Air dry to keep it looking its best. What we like. It features a convenient drawstring closure to keep items secure. The durable canvas material is long-lasting and easy to clean. It folds flat for compact storage. If you need a secure, easy-to-store hamper, this one is a practical choice. What people say. Thick material and print is perfect. So functional, size it is good, stand upright by himself. Perfect size for baby laundry basket. Adorable design and great quality has held up with no issues for over 2 years. Number 1. Munchkin Hamper Laundry Organizer. Say hello to effortless laundry organization. It's lightweight yet spacious, making laundry day a breeze. It holds all your baby's clothes with room to spare. No more overflowing baskets. The convenient lid keeps clothes contained and prevents them from falling out. It also folds flat for easy storage. These handles make it easy to carry, even when it's full. Moving laundry has never been simpler. The laminated interior wipes clean quickly and easily. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. It folds completely flat when not in use, perfect for small spaces. Storage is a snap. Measuring 21.5 by 13 by 13 inches, it's the ideal size for baby's laundry. It's just right for your needs. What we like. This hamper has a convenient folding lid to keep contents hidden. The padded handles make it comfortable to carry. It folds flat for easy storage. If you value convenience and ease of use, this is a great choice. What people say. This one is sturdy, easy to put together, and large enough to fit the laundry for 2 adults. The outside is soft, the handles are comfortable, and the inside is smooth and easy to clean any messes. The lid is nice to have as well. Great for a small closet, fits a lot of baby clothes and easy for the frequent loads I run. Really durable construction, which I was pleased with. It collapses flat, allowing it to be stored when we don't need it. When opened up, it feels very sturdy and quite large. It can easily hold a week's worth of laundry. Compared to other kids' hampers, I really like the fact that the inside can be wiped clean with a damp rag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.